And you can see I have already attached the buckle, so to speak, to the book cover. And this is, there are really 3 ways you could do this, and I'm going to put links to all of the materials down below. I used grommets because that's what I had handy, and I just used a grommet set. I have this one, which I really like because it has an integrated punch in it, and then the grommet set, and it came with multicolored grommets, which are really fun. They're silver and gold also, but then there's all these colors, and they're really fun too. This is super easy to use, and it was great for joining this leather together. You could also glue this, or you could sew it if you have a sewing machine or you have leather working tools. So depending on what your skill levels are and what your needs are. But all you're going to do to attach this, and you see I made these little marks right here on the leather to get it lined up. I put notebooks inside and kind of measured how much room was I going to want. And that's why I lined this up this way. This tab is nice and long depending on how thick you feel like your notebook is going to end up being. So then this just goes through this little loop just like that and holds it closed just like that. So I just measured, put some marks on my leather like I showed you. This is where I wanted it to line up. Put in 2 grommets. That is not going anywhere. And if you wanted to, you could take a craft knife and a self-healing mat and cut this shorter. If that flap bothers you, it doesn't bother me, at least not right now, so I'll just leave it as it is. And then this just becomes your closure, and that is super simple.